Hi, in this video we will see how to create this door sign using Rhino Emboss. As you can see, I have previously created all these curves, so the idea is to use all these curves to create the relief. So let's see how to use it. First step, Emboss tool, and we can define the project settings. In this case I can define, let's try 100 or maybe more, 150, and let's try 250, and the same here. Okay, then I can define the resolution and of course cap type, position, material. In this case I just want to activate the delete base option, and after this I can start defining the relief. So in the first step I will add a new operation. In this case I will select the curve to be this one, the outside curve, and the operation type I'm going to define extrude. Then in the parameters I want to define 5 millimeters extrude distance, and now let's refresh to check the results. Okay, the first extrusion is done, so let's move on to the next operation. In this case I'm going to add a new operation. I'm going to hide the results and select this group, and I'm going to define the curve of this operation as this group, and in this case I'm going to define by profile, and the parameters I'm going to define 2.58, and I can adjust the gumball a little bit in here, something like this, and refresh to check the results. Okay, as you can see I've created this relief. Now I will add a new operation. The curve will be this one. Okay, and I'm going to define the same 2.5 millimeters. Okay, and I'm going just to adjust this gumball a little bit. Okay, and now I just need to refresh to check the results. Okay, now I want to add a new operation. Just deselect the curves, and now I'm going to define a new operation, the same by profile. The curve is this one, and I'm going to define 2 millimeters 8. So refresh to check the results. Okay, this is the idea. And now I will add, just hide the results, select this group, and I'm going to add a new operation by profile, and in this case I want to subtract, so I just need to refresh, and now as you can see the reliefs were subtracted. So the next part I'm going to add a new operation. The curve is this one, and I'm going to define the parameters as subtract 1 millimeter. So just need to refresh to check the results. So this is the idea. I just need to select the curves and define the parameters of the relief. In this case I want to select this group. Okay, and I want to add a new operation by profile, in this case 2 millimeters. and I just need to adjust the gumball a little bit and refresh to check the results. Okay, now I will add a new operation. The curve will be this one, the same profile, in this case 2 millimeters, and a little bit less in here, maybe just 2, and refresh to check the results. So the last operation, I'm going to select the curves, the numbers, and now in the parameters I'm going to define 2 millimeters, and I can adjust the gumball a little bit, not too much, and refresh to check the results. So as you can see easily, I can create any kind of reliefs. In this case, it's defined everything as needed, and I just need to check in order to add the mesh to the document. Okay, the mesh was successfully created. Just change the display mode to check the results. As you can see, the door sign is done. This is the idea. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching.